Welcome to Chicmas day 14. The day was super chill. We were just at home. It was like a very rainy day here in Southern California. The rain today was pretty bad. I think there was flooding in certain areas of LA. Figured today we would unbox some Boxycharm packages. That's the hot water. Hang on a second. Planning on filming sit down videos. It's been challenging trying to film regular content on top of Chicmas. I mean, just being really honest, especially with the holidays and just, you know, everything that's going on. It's been really challenging. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to film December obsessions November obsessions, which I wanted to film, but I just don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Well, yeah, it's already kind of late too. Today's the 14th, so it's like half the month of December is already here. How are you guys doing? How is your week going? Please comment below, let me know. And yeah, let's get our hot water. I'm pretty sure you know what time it is. Let's first start with the 24 Reasons to Smile Tea Advent Calendar, day number 14. Where's day number 14? Oh, here we go. Day number 14 is right up here. You get the first look and it says, tea is really a cup full of happiness. Yes, it is. I definitely agree with that. Loosely flavored rooibos tisane. And today's tea is called Sticky Date Delight. Okay, that sounds very interesting. Ooh. Oh, I like this one. It smells very spicy because it's a sticky date delight. The traditional sticky toffee pudding in your hot little hands. The indulgently rich taste of caramel, silky smooth toffee sauce, and steaming sticky date make for a drool-worthy brew that's simply sublime. Ooh, I like that. And the steep time is 3 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and open the XO Marshmallow Advent Calendar, day number 14. Today's hint, spice up your life. Spice up your life. Everything's kind of spicy today. What is this? Oh, wait a second. Is this a jalapeno? It smells like a pepper, like hot sauce. Tabasco, and it's spicy. That is so weird. Okay, I'm gonna lock it in. I'm gonna say this is Tabasco or hot sauce. Hot sauce slash Tabasco. Sriracha! Was I even close? I mean, it's like a type of hot sauce, right? Jonathan, you want to try today's marshmallow?
Pepper.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? Cheese?
It's a marshmallow.
That's disgusting.
What is it though?
Dirt.
No, you said it was spicy, so what is your guess?
Smells peppery.
Uh-huh. But the actual taste?
Smells like sawdust.
Sawdust?
Well, it has a little kick.
Do you want to know what it is?
That's
I know you're gonna guess it.
That's sriracha.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, it is. It's sriracha.
It's got a kick towards the end, but it tastes like
I guessed Tabasco slash hot sauce.
No, it doesn't taste like Tabasco.
Gosh, I've just been so off then. With my taste buds have just been like, he got it though. You know, after he stopped joking around. But that's interesting. Try our tea, the sticky date night. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. I can smell the toffee and the caramel. Oh, this one's good. Yes, this is like perfect because it's so chilly outside. Let's go ahead and open the December base box Boxycharm. This month's theme is called Gift of Glam, and I have box number C21120002-BA. Luna Liner, I think that's the name of it. And it is a water-resistant liquid eyeliner. I've been looking for a new liner, and I like how it says that it's water-resistant. It's also paraben-free, PETA-certified vegan, PETA-certified cruelty-free, no gluten. This is by the brand Seraphine. Brush tip. Ooh, okay. Box is from the brand Algenist, and this is the Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. And it reduces the look of dark circles, formulated with algironic acid. This should be very interesting to try out as well. Have heard good things about this brand, so I'm definitely, you know, always all about stuff for the under eye area. Wish, and it's a vanilla bean lip mask. It's supposed to intensely moisturize, prevents moisture loss, and softens, which my lips, girl, let me tell you, my lips have been looking pretty bad. That's why I've been trying to like wear lip glosses over them. Anything moisturizing. I'm gonna try this tonight. Well, it smells good. Ooh, pretty packaging. It's from the brand Sophia and Maybell. It's a satin powder highlighter in the shade Peach Sangria. Pretty packaging, Peach Sangria. Let me see. Wow, gorgeous. It says that it's a new launch. You know, let's swatch it. This looks gorgeous. Wow. That is pretty. I can also see this being like a very pretty lid color too, right? From the brand Mud Masky, and this is a mineral infused double cleansing mask. Deep cleaning, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and it's also hydrating. Retails for $59. I'm going to need to try this because my skin lately just has not, it's just not been it at all. Base box, I think killed it so far. I'll move on now to the premium box. This box again is called Gift of Glam. The box C2112201-PM. And the first thing right off the bat is ID.AZ. It's a dermastic water fit mask. And this is a hydrating mask. Elemis, and this is the Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. Ooh, it's a refreshing eye gel. It's made with matcha, kiwi, melon, refreshes, brightens, and nourishes. Actually looking for another day under eye cream or eye gel. So I'm gonna incorporate this because it sounds promising. I know Elemis is a really good brand. The next thing we have in the box is from the brand Ipone, Beverly Hills, and this is called a Flawless Serum. Look at this packaging. Doesn't it look so luxe? Right? It looks very, very luxe. It's giving me almost like Chanel vibes in a way. Powerful serum that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier. And this retails for $195, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. Holy crap. Let's take a moment. Okay, I'm kind of speechless. $195. That's a very expensive pretty penny. Next in the box is from the brand Kenya Ontiveros Beauty, and this is a Glow and Go kit. And in here, oh my gosh, wow. Oh my goodness. These shades are just right up my alley. Very, very pretty. This all-in-one kit is all you need for that everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. And this retails for $48. I mean, I'm not even gonna lie, this is a gorgeous palette. It's beautiful. I kind of want to swatch it, but then at the same time, I'm thinking I might pass this on to somebody else. From the brand Stila. Oh my gosh, I haven't heard about Stila in quite some time. I used to love their liquid lipsticks. Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I wonder if it's waterproof. An intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. And this retails for $23. So hello, you guys know I'm going to be using this for sure. The shades of these lip liners, which I'm assuming they're lip liners, are right up my alley. Evo Beauty Lip Spo Liner Duo. Creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill lips. This two-piece kit features a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout in a matte finish. And this retails for $24. But it is creamy. I will say that it's really, really creamy. And then this other one is more like a nudie pink. I'm sure you guys have tried lip liners where it's like scraping your skin off your lips. This one, no, it's the opposite. They're like really creamy. Yes, this is another really great box. And then lastly, this is the Boxy Luxe Winter Luxe Boxycharm. This box is 211-2450-LX. From Ofra on the Glow. It's a highlighting and bronzing palette. And honestly, the contour slash bronzer palette that I'm using right now is from Boxycharm, and I'm over the moon about it. That one's from Cab Cosmetics. Oh my goodness. Wow. Here's what it looks like. It's basically like pop these out. I mean, look at the colors in here. Ultimate tool for creating a bronze glow. This stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones, whether you are a makeup artist or the go as a beauty enthusiast. This retails for $149. This is beautiful. Pure, and this is their fully charged, powered by magnetic technology mascara. A vegan pure fully charged mascara powered by revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. And this retails for $22. From the brand Kat Berkey, this is a vitamin C intensive face cream. Is developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. Ocean Mineral Complex floods deeply to fortify skin with essential micronutrients, and this retails for $116. Wow. Really interesting that they're including, you know, so many good skincare products. This is from the brand Persona. Eyeliner, 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Let's see. Oh, that is creamy. Because there's one that I use right now that is like my holy grail, and it is also waterproof. Featuring a smooth blendable formula, this 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and waterline, and it retails for $14. All right, cool. No way, hold on. This is one size. I have never tried anything from One Size, which is Patrick Starr's brand. This is the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. No drip, super slick, continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact without leaving skin tight or dry. Formulated to fully remove makeup and refresh skin with good for you ingredients. This Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist is a game changer for those heavy makeup days. And this retails for $24. This is so awesome that it was in the box. From Kitsch, and this is called the Satin Sleep Set. Wow. Pillowcase, an eye mask, and also a scrunchie. This Kitsch Sleep Set is your newest nighttime necessity. Each package includes one standard size satin pillowcase, one satin eye mask, and one satin sleep scrunchie. And this retails for $36. This is really cool. I'm definitely going to be gifting this to somebody. It's from the brand Aceology. It's a detoxifying treatment mask. Detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. Supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. And this retails for $69. And then lastly, at the very bottom, what is this? No way. This is from the brand Luxe. Wow. Feel these brushes. Wow, they are like super, super soft. This is called Christine set. That's me. That's pretty cool. The Christine set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite Rennie cup. And this retails for $50. And these bristles are super, super soft. I'm gonna be honest, these 3 boxes this month are pretty much neck to neck. Like they are all on par with each other just because they are really just jam-packed with so many great goodies. I feel like they're really trying to, you know, end the year on the right foot. All 3 of the boxes were just simply impressive this month. All right, chickies, I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas Day 14 here, but I hope you enjoyed hanging out for a bit for Chicmas Day 14. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 15.